It's almost Christmas time, and I know some of you guys are still shopping. So today I want to give you guys some last minute gifts for the man in your life that will arrive before Christmas. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and welcome to my channel. Christmas is just around the corner, and especially as homeschooling moms, we have a ton on our plate already. So sometimes shopping gets left last minute. Maybe you're seeing a relative, an uncle or somebody that, or maybe your brother or somebody you didn't expect that was coming for the holidays, and you really need to get them a gift. Maybe you don't want to go to the stores, it's too crowded, or because of COVID you don't want to be out in the stores. Well, I have the perfect Amazon gifts for you that you can get that will arrive before Christmas if you order them now. So check out all of these. I hope that I help you find something for that special guy in your life. The first item I want to show you is this men's routine product set. So in this package here, it has a face wash, a morning moisturizer, an exfoliating face scrub, a night moisturizer, and a cleanse that tightens and hydrates. The wash is designed to use morning and night to remove dirt, grime, and excess oil. It also reduces redness and inflammation without over drying the skin. The scrub removes the old dead skin cells responsible for acne, dullness, and wrinkles. The AM moisturizer has an SPF of 20, and it was formulated to hydrate without being oily. It's anti-aging and a sun protectant. The PM moisturizer helps skin repair and regenerate, attacking fine lines and wrinkles by stimulating collagen and hydrating the skin. This is a really nice genuine buffalo leather toiletry bag, great for travel. It is made of high-grade buffalo hide that is durable and tough. It also has a large storage capacity and side pockets. If your husband likes to have a drink once in a while, these whiskey stone bullets are perfect. They are ice cube holders in the shape of bullets. They are made of stainless steel, and their rounded edges won't scratch your glasses. This neck, shoulder, back massager is heated and is a perfect gift for any hardworking man. This massager is a body massager, which is easy to carry, easy to operate, safe, and reliable. It has a microcomputer control system, which has the same speed as a masseur. It improves the blood flow and blood circulation through kneading massage, relaxes tight muscles, relieves pain, and eliminates fatigue. Regular use can improve the nervous system, digestive system, immune system, circulatory system functions, and it will definitely help your guy relax. This is a Vitold camping survival kit, and it's $46.99. This is a must-have survival gear equipment if you have a man in your life who likes to go camping or hunting or just likes being outdoors, or someone who just likes these cool little knickknacks. This is a perfect gift. It includes so many different things. You have an emergency blanket, emergency window breaker and flashlight. There's a wire saw, a 7-in-1 spork. There's a pocket bellow, a fire starter, tactical pen, a fire starter, a tactical pen, those are two separate things, water bottle clip, a tactile knife, a saber card, and it has a high-strength multi-use paracord bracelet that has a whistle and a fire starter, making it the perfect tool for emergency situations. This is also great to just keep in your car. The box is also waterproof. It's great for hiking, outdoor, and camping. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you in the next one.